Want to turn that Apple gift card into a world of Minecraft adventures? Let's unlock the pixelated possibilities. First, make sure your Apple gift card has been redeemed and the balance is available in your Apple account. Head over to the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type in Minecraft and hit search. Locate the official Minecraft game in the search results. You'll see the price listed next to the Get button. Tap on the price or the Get button if it's your first time downloading Minecraft. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your purchase. It will show your Apple account balance. If your balance is sufficient, simply confirm the purchase by using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once confirmed, the download will begin. A progress bar will appear on the Minecraft icon, indicating the download progress. After the download completes, the Minecraft icon will appear on your home screen. Tap Open to launch the game. Now you can jump in and start creating your own world. Enjoy the limitless possibilities of Minecraft, all thanks to your Apple gift card.